Hey, it's Valencia, the Good Life Queen, and I'm here with the Good Life Princess. This is my princess, Aaliyah, and I am super excited because we want to talk about what? Cryptocurrency. We want to show you and talk about how important this is to not only build it now, but for our generational wealth. This is our generation right here. They have to learn the currency that's going to be the new currency soon. So if they don't, oh, she want to talk about our nails. We just got our nails done too. Look. If we do not educate our kids, if we do not pass down this knowledge, they will not get it. It will be passed down to them once it's controlled. So you want to be able to put them in an environment that they can control the cryptocurrency. They can build it instantly, directly. They can put it in a position where they can grow and buy their own land and pay for their colleges or whatever they want to do, build their own businesses. But the fact of the matter is they have something they can have on their own. And that's key, right? So why is it important?
It's important because you want to teach your kids.
Right. And what do you think you should know?
You should know cryptocurrency.
Exactly. So do you think that it's a powerful currency? Like that is a very strong currency?
Yes.
Okay. So do you think one day you'll be able to buy McDonald's with your cryptocurrency?
Yes.
I believe so too. And I know for a fact that you can. You can do just about anything with cryptocurrency. You can buy a house. You can buy a car. You can buy anything off the internet right now. Finance a car with cryptocurrency. All you have to do is just put it in the Google search, right? We use Google all the time, or what? YouTube University to do what? Show people how to do anything. If you type how in the search section, there's so many things that's going to pop up. So we want to show you how you can build some generational wealth with cryptocurrency, whether it's with Bitcoin, whether it's with Ethereum, whether it's with Tron, whether it's so many different others. Right now, Bitcoin is the highest currency in the world. Ethereum is the second cryptocurrency, okay? The US dollar still has a little bit of wiggle room, especially in different countries because it's highly valued. But right here in the US, sometimes our US dollar is not even worth a dollar. It's 80-something cents, 90-something cents. All I want you to do, guys, is make an educated decision to put yourself in a position to have some now revenue. We are living in a great economic time where you need what, Aaliyah?
Now revenue.
Now revenue. You need an instant income or independent solution, and this is what's going to get it for you, all right? So we thank you for watching. We hope you guys have a blessed day.
Peace out.